One second. Okay. Okay, okay, I'm starting this code. So check the data on that open Snowflake account. Check the data once. Okay. Check in that DBT schema. It won't because of we have not given sharp schema. So when you are doing the account setup, that's why by default it will show one schema. So we can edit. Suppose if you don't edit in that time, it will go into creating sharp schema. So here you can check. Okay, int. Okay, these are models we have. Okay, stage customers. So that is created sales summary. We created last model, right? So check, go to top, tables. We have views, right? Views. Go to the in tables. We can see the check the data customers order summary. Check the data. So real time, remember what are the layers we have, and what is the work we are doing, what is lineage graph, how we are doing. Okay, and remember comments also. They will ask how to run multiple models. Okay, this one. Okay. So this is like total spent. So each customer ID is customer name, or what is his total orders, and what is his total spent. Like the data we are finding here. Okay, so using this summary, customer order summary. Okay, this one. Okay, so models are only we what we need to know how to use ref, how to use config block, and how to create source files. So other thing is complete SQL code only. Okay, how to write with CTA, the source name. Okay, how to define it. Okay, learn that. Okay, so today I will share that class notes. So this one. Okay, regarding these models. So there are other things also. Some other models also there. So you can practice it. Okay, so after that we can create one more model. Okay, that is like final model, and you can copy and paste and you can run it. Okay, you can see the entire lineage of the extension. Okay, like that. And suppose there is you are creating one model, but it should going to create in specific schema. So for that we have one code. Okay, we need to mention in the config block. Then you can see the syntax. Okay, so we can do it that one practice. Okay, so now one second, I will share my screen. We can start. After that, we can do the practical. Okay, we going to teach. You can stop your screen, Mahesh. Okay, few seconds. Now everyone see my screen on. So, so we have test in the DT. So usually why we have test in DBT is like in Snowflake. So it won't enforce all constraints like so like it only enforce the not null. So it won't enforce the primary key and unique key. Even we can insert duplicate data. Okay, even spy. So for this like finding the nulls. Okay, and duplicate primary keys, and okay, so we can use data quality and data integrity. And so suppose we going to run dbt run, right? Suppose if there any corrupted data we are receiving, so it going to stop that run. Okay, so running before running the model, we need to check that test. We need to do the test. After that, we need going to run the model. So it will check the, and it will stop that pipeline like that. Okay, So some business tools like every customer have an email, or order amount should be uh, negative, and status, like we have active status, inactive, pending status. So we need to enter these values only. And in column I need to have only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So suppose if I have other than these values, so it's going to throw the error. I need to have these values only. And I'm going to use these words in one column: active, suppose inactive. These two only need. So if any other values there, it's going to throw the another like that you're going to do. So main, like we have unique test, okay, and uh, not null test, okay, and accepted values test. Accepted values test. Okay. So these are okay. Suppose you are running one test, the DBT not recognize it, not going to run properly. Then we need to go to DBT utilities. There we can find the packages. So we can copy that package and we can paste it and we can run it. After that, we can paste it. We need to create one file. So we need to paste the code, and so after that, we need to go with run. We need to use dbt deps command. Okay, we're going to. So I will show that properly. Okay, so we can do it. Okay, this one like quality checks main thing. Okay, this is main purpose, quality check for data accuracy, like that. Okay, we so main are we can call like we have singular test or generic test. I will show what is a singular test and what is a generic test also. So we have both types of tests. So usually we have unit test. Now in into the, if they ask types of test, go with singular test and generic test. And what are the tests you have done in your project means go with unique, not null, accept values test. So types means types of tests, like we have singular and generic. So in both ways we going to create. So what are the tests you have done? What are the tests you have? So like unique, not null, accept values test I have done. And so how to run test means the command is like dbt test. Suppose same thing like dbt, it going to run all test again. The dbt test hyphen hyphen select test name, so we can run the specific test. Okay, so why we are doing test means so data integrity, data quality checks, so avoiding duplicate values and null values in the data. So maintain proper data. So like that we can make it few lines and we can click the in interview. Okay, these only they will ask questions on this one. So how you work with the test. Okay, so remember, so what is you have done in DBT means so creating models and doing test. Okay, and after that creating incremental model and snapshots. Okay, so tell stick with this four. Okay, stick with this four. Okay, they will ask. They will to other topics. Stick with this four. Okay, so if you go, it's going to complicate. I will teach everything, but stick with this one because of not every person not going to work with every file or every feature in the TV, right? Few features only will use so each person. So stick with this, okay? Read about fully, and you can tell if I get chance, I will work with others like we have macros, hooks, and documentation. Stick with it, okay? And you can learn tell also how to do the documentation. You need to explain to them, but stick with I have worked with this experience like that. So now you can share your screen. Okay, we will go step by step. Nice. I'm stopping now. I will start the record. Okay, so 1 second. I will go file. So first, okay, go to the test folder. Okay, you can write, okay, uh, one name, create one, click on three dots, and then 1 second. It going to So unique unique test name is unique test. So we can write in models also. So we can go to that. So create in staging also. You go to staging, there is click on three dots, go to staging folder, three dots, create file, unique underscore test. The syntax that how to give file name unique underscore test dot yml. For test, we need to give the dot yml. For models dot SQL. Schema dot also dot yml. To create. So I will tell the code. Okay. First code we going to type. After that we going. So version 2. Version colon space 2. After version with the colon space 2. Then move to next. So we're going to run test, right? So on the models, right? So type the models column. So enter. So give hyphen space name. So name after name give the column, give the space. So on which model we are running test, we are going to run on stage customers. So next line, enter columns, CYU columns, mention the on which column we going to run the test. We need to mention the columns. So again, no need to give the hyphen before columns. Remove hyphen. So after the column, give the enter. So hyphen space name. First, if you type, you will get one idea. Then after we can do the, we can copy and paste. Hyphen name. Okay. So we are doing on customer ID. We are doing customer ID. So next, so make it good that columns is giving the error, give the space. Fourth line, click the before C, give space, give one more space, one more. Okay. So before name, give one more space. Before hyphen, fifth line before hyphen, give space like this. So next, we need to give test. Next line, write the test, TSTS. So what type of test we are doing in mention? S test, TSTS test test. Okay, colon. So enter hyphen. So space type unique. Okay. So this is how to define the test. Okay. So version 2. So we are applying the models. So name customers. So version 2. So models, name customers, columns, name customer ID, test unique test we are doing. So on this stage Here name is stage customers, not customers. The model name is stage customers, right? Yeah, that's what that need to be maybe mentioned. Okay, this one. So version two. So what are the models? So name, stage, customers, columns. What are the columns in that model? So name, customer ID. So what are the tests we are doing? Unit test. Now save. It. Now run the command to TP test. So it will also show the lineage graph. So that the customer stage customers we have in the shopping customers, stage customers, in customer order summary also we have customer ID, right? That model. So it will also show the that lineage graph also where we have that stage customers and customer ID. So now in command is dbt test. Run the test. So it's going to do the all test. What are the tests? No, 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 dbt tests. Now this one, dbt test. I'm thinking something else. Run dbt test one more time. You want to see? Okay. Give the enter. So unique stage customers not pass. Okay. See what is a running dbt. See the details. Go to details. Go to details. There is the details, right? Go to system logs. There is arrow mark. There you can see the details. Or click on this unique stage customers. Click that. Yeah, click. Go to details. So go to top. There you can see. One second. One second. Give the access. This is usually the entire clear one. So here, okay, one second. It's my new page unique stage customer. Test dot my new project dot unique stage customers was left open. No finish running. So now run this command dbt test hyphen hyphen select test name. Do like that, showing other things. Dbt test select. So those are some other things. Unique test. So even showing it's running only 2 seconds. So even it's not run properly. Uh, Copy the path and paste it, run it. Try to like do like that. Go to that path, copy element path. Now do it. Showing like running the 1.5 second, 2 seconds is not proper test. DBT test hyphen hyphen select, then paste it. Hyphen hyphen select. Now we'll go to models and staging, then select DBT test hyphen hyphen select. Run DBT test hyphen hyphen select. Then yeah, now run it. So unique stage customers. Okay. Again it's okay. Uh, Remove .yml and try to run it. Okay. It's not run properly. Okay. Give .yml only. We will leave it to see the error and check it. Previous code. Leave it a test. I can select, run one more time, and we will change it to test. So click the details. Okay. So first to check the data in that table. So we have unique data, or which type of data we have. The stage select star from customers. No, you can run it like that. It is sharp schema, right? Run it directly. Select and run it. In 108, you have not given the semicolon. So that's why you throw the error. So check the all customer ID. So is there any duplicate values? No duplicate values. Okay. So move that file into, go to DBT, move that file into test folder. Now run it one more time. Start taking from that folder. Uh, Drag and move to the test folder.
Test folder.
First, so we have, you can minimize other things. Okay, intermediate and raw layer. You can minimize other things. Okay, click on that folder. It's going to close. Yeah, like that. Also marked. Okay, so don't close that one. Scroll down. You can do the test. Right, this is the test folder. pull and drag it. Uh, Now run the dbt test hyphen select test name only. You can give the test name.
hyphen select.
Unique test. You can write a unique underscore test only. Test not run properly. Again something. Um, YML we given unique test data YML. This okay. So I will give the code. Okay, and paste this and I can do it. So in dbt only we will get the errors. Okay, not so that's why while learning try to do it. Copy that replace with that code. Maybe alignment is not working. Copy and paste the code again. Delete this code from chart box. Copy that one and paste it. Okay. So this customers name customer IDs. So now save it. Now run the test. Lowercase letters. Give the enter. After hyphen need select. It should show. It need to show the system logs. Okay. So details. Unique test does not match any enable nodes. The selection criteria. Unique test. Nothing to do. Try checking your model config as a model specification argues, and go to the stage customers model. See stage customers model. Config methodology with source select customer ID, customer name, email source, shopping, and customers. Any spelling mistake anywhere? Click on preview. Take it as a so model name spelling correct on the stage SUTOMERS customers. Shopping. Okay. Go to the test only. Copy the test only. YML. We given file name YML, right? Dot YML. Okay. Now one time run with the full name. We will go with TBT run. మన క్లాస్లో ఉన్న నేను మళ్ళీ చేస్తున్నాయా మా క్లాస్లో ఉన్న మళ్ళీ చేస్తా select copy the path and paste it and run it. Test is that is only proper syntax only, there is nothing mistake in that one. Now it's done properly. So see, it won't take sometimes name. Okay, usually we can run with select dbj test, it will give proper. And you run the model, I think so, not to do the test. You run the model, okay, run the dbt test, not run dbt test on the proper. You can check. You select. Let me take one test. So now it's run properly. Okay, now see unique stage customer. It means it's showing the give the C. Test is green color. Unique test on stage customers and customer ID. Like that, it's showing. That is the meaning. Okay. Suppose I want to do not null test. Okay. So go to the test. Open the test one test file. So if you want to do one more test and stage customer, suppose if you're going to create one more test, so it won't accept. If you want to do any test on this stage customer, you need to do it here only. Suppose if you are doing not null, for that you are creating one more new file for not null test. Okay, then it will throw the error. I'm not showing here. It will throw the error. Okay, we have two names on same stage customer. We have two test files. Like that, it will show the error. So if you want to do normal test, so here only we can mention. Okay, for that after the columns, give the enter, give name, fifth line, enter. After fifth line, give the enter, hyphen name, hyphen name. So follow the alignment and colon and
Name, colon.
colon customer name. So you want to do another one more test, we can use this one only. If you try to create one more test file, so on the same model stage customers, it will not run. We have two yml files on the stage customers, it will throw the error. So we need to do same. If you want to do multiple tests, we can use the same one only. So after customer name, they give enter, write test is colon give some space, make it alignment before test. Okay. After that, next write the test name hyphen not null. Enter. Not underscore null like that. Underscore. Now save it. Now it will run the two test. Okay. Suppose if you try to create one more file, it will throw the error. Okay. If you want to do the multiple test, we can mention in the same file. We need to mention the same file for the stage customers. So we can't use the one more test file. Same file we can do. See, it will test name whatever we give, but when we run the test, it will show the properly. The test name is unique test, right? But it will show the. So before I run I run the DVD test, I can have select mode that will also run, but some updates it's not taking that it's not pulling the data from exact file. That's why taking like a full name. Okay, now run the test. So previously I used to take the classes, right? It's going to run properly only in that time with that command. Okay. So see, what is the test name is actual test name is unique test, but here is showing what we are doing the test. Okay, not null, stage customers, customer name. Then again unique stage customers, customer ID. Like that. What is the test we are doing on which model and what is the column? What is the test? What is the model? What is the column? Like that it will show. Okay. So this is unique and not null test. Okay. Uh, so Monday we will connect and we will complete the complete test. And if there is time, we will move to the one more concept. So as of now, anybody have any doubts? Just see, observe what are the errors we are getting. So how we are running. Okay. So and see the syntax how we are mentioning version 2. Okay. That syntax you need to follow alignment. Okay. So we need to work on this like models, incremental and snapshots. So in interview, you need to tell them. So you need to manage an interview. Okay, what is the their requirement? Suppose they will ask, we are also maintaining, like we are also using macros. Okay, then you need to say, oh, I am also work with macros. Tell like that. Okay, I will give everything. No worries about. I will also macros. Okay, if you stick with lesser concept, it's too good to you. That's what I'm telling simply. So you need to manage that time. Suppose they will ask you also work on macros. Say yes. No worries. Okay, no problem. Okay, any doubt as of now? Mahesh, Chandra, Shesha, Vasant.
Um, no, like if
No?
anything after that I'll connect.
Okay. So Monday we will complete tests. Okay. Okay. We have some other tests also like abstract values and to explain about generic and singular test difference. Okay. So we'll connect Monday. Okay. Bye. Bye everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.